Hey, another casala don burst again. Oh. Hey, you know say na me dey carry the news come. Okay, before I go continue the news, make I first of all allow my people first see, my people wey sabi, una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening, depending on wherever una dey watch me for and whenever una take see this video. Na me, una humble sister, Anointed Lady TV. Abeg, if today na the first time wey be say you just waka, you jam this my channel, or you don dey watch me, dey come ring, you never subscribe. Abeg, today make you try subscribe now. Subscribe, make you touch the notification bell, so that anytime wey be say ogbonge news come like this, you go still get notification. To you wey don subscribe to me and you still dey come back to come dey watch me, all your life go sweet like honey. Better thing no go ever finish. So you will be say you just subscribe. Better now you go dey see. Yes, this my brother when I want with the picture your show so about Obaze, and this other of my brother will be Maleke Idowu. They don't finally meet for where they call club, and the disgrace don't come. May not be say I delay Mona watch the video.
Yes. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy New Week. How are you guys doing? Yes, I'll see my people. Thanks for joining this broadcast this morning. Yes, I'm here to give you details of what happened last night at Wesley Hotels poolside, the pool bar. One thing is to talk is cheap. To talk is very, very cheap. That's the way you're talking anyhow. Talking anyhow is very, very cheap. See you this ago. Scott Powell, I see you. Thank you. Frank Edosa, I see you. Osme Ekato Epadomo. Yes. Sorry to say this. Yesterday, Ambassador Wesley Asoro, MDCO, Wesley Hotels, Wesley Table Waters, Wesley Conglomerates, we were with him. As you all know, we are still in the mood of celebration. We are still celebrating. We are still jubilating. People are still organizing victory parties. Before we went to Wesley, Mr. Austin Edosoma, aka Austin Vibut, hosted us in his private residence to also celebrate the victory of Obaseki at the polls. What I notice now is that the Oshomole boys, the Izeyamu boys, I'm not really seeing much of Izeyamu boys trying to smuggle their way into this government. I'm seeing more of Oshomole boys, Oshomole loyalists, Oshomole boys. I saw some, they came. They were just throwing up and down. Oh, we're at Mr. Austin Edosoma's house. Me, I don't know how to pretend. If I don't like you, I don't like you. If I don't like you, I feel not greet you. If you greet me, I feel not answer where. You will know. I don't know how to pretend. I don't know how to fake my smile. I don't know how to fake relationship. I don't know how to fake closeness. That's why you guys always see me run to Facebook to write, to say, this is my position, this is me. I don't fake anything. That's why some of you feel Albert has amassed so many enemies for himself. Now lie. I have very few enemies. I have plenty friends. I have plenty supporters. Because I don't fake it. I can't fake it. So when some of them came, they were, when I don't win. Now, look at what they were even saying. Some of them were saying, now win the election and we make the money. One of them, he said, now win the election and we make the money. I was like, will our youth ever change? Will they ever change? I was disappointed. For me, God forbid somebody can win. See, 6 months, I follow heal. 6 months, I follow heal. And I follow if take this time, it go hard. Somebody cannot win. I go there Bini. 6 months, I follow heal. Because to me, the project is not about me. It's not about me as an individual. It's about the states. It's about the people. So I cannot feel here for 6 months. In fact, for the 4 years, maybe when they for 10 days, I cannot feel here because I feel see what I fought against. So I cannot feel healed. So I don't know why these people don't heal, or if they are faking that they've moved on, which is not true. Which is not true. I will not feel healed for 6 months. Man, not to talk. I will not feel healed for straight 6 months. That's why we still get some close people who genuinely work for Isaiah, who really work. Not be the commercial politicians who, not be the businessmen like Maleke who say, now where food there they see them. The ones who really get small belief in Isaiah, who really work, they never still heal. They feel like, what's it happen? Why don't people just turn against us like this? What's it happen? They are yet to heal. Those are the real Isaiah supporters. Not be the ones who they jump from party to party now. All in the name of now politics. No. We're not supposed to be playing deceitful kind of politics. We're not supposed to be playing stomach kind of politics. No. I see you, Apostle Kasi Chuku, my leader. I see you. Thank you very much. Imagine somebody like Kasi Chuku, Pastor Kasi, that was very vocal during the election. That stake his neck. He was there. He was constantly granting press, stating his position. That Isaiah is not a good person. He's not a better candidate. And Edo should support Obaseki. That 4 years ago he supported Isaiah, but now he's supporting Obaseki. I wish God forbid Isaiah way. Pastors like Pastor Cassie. Now I forgot me to say that pastor disturb you well. We need to pursue up for Benin. So let's everybody pray for genuine followers, real supporters, organic real supporters. If we have real supporters, trust me, nobody will borrow money to run an election. Nobody will borrow money. We will now start feeding the right people in the right positions. Then you don't need to borrow, you don't need to sell property, you don't need to lobby, you don't need to kill, you don't need to engage in occultic activities for you to win an election. So many of them, they are very shameless. I was disappointed when one of them said, now I win an election, but I will make the money. And it's the truth. It's the truth. Me don't know whether other people make money. Me not just say me make money. I know many people who support Obaseki will not make money. I know how many diaspora pumping their money, pumping materials. While they were looking for money, we were looking for results. And my God disgraced them. So please, it is too early. It is too early to fraternize with us. It is too early. Please give us 2 months. Give us 2 months to do our victory party. Because if we invite you, that's for any victory party, that space where you want to sit down, now another person from Mugbeko, or another person for Eastern Central, or another person for Upper, or for Omega, that's supposed to sit down with that place. You don't deserve to have a seat in our own victory party. You don't deserve to have a seat there. No talk say you can't come our victory party. Somebody will come give you Glen 18 years of 22,000 naira. You don't deserve it. There are people in the street that stake their life, and they deserve that seat where you sit down. Any victory party I attend today, I deserve to be there. I worked for it to get that invitation. So if you invite me, not to say you they do me favor, I worked for that invitation and I cherish that invitation. Say you acknowledge, you appreciate, you invite me to go celebrate Obaseki victory. So this is not the time. Please give us 2 months. Give us 2 months to celebrate our victory. Give us 2 months. So after we finish for Osinedosa side, Ambassador Wesley Asoro, who is obviously the leader of youth in Edo State today. If you know him, you will know why I call him the leader of youth. He's our leader, the youth community. If you know Ambassador Wesley, you will know why. I don't need to tell you why I call him the leader of Edo Youth. He said, let's go to Wesley Hotel. That Brother Siva is playing. There is this Ishan lady that is also playing. Then the 2 talented. Everybody can't go Wesley. Normally, we sit down. I'm sure Sakolokodi was there. Many diaspora, they were there. We're just playing. We're just enjoying. Not really the alcohol. Not really the alcohol. I'm not the alcohol type. If you see me say, I hold cup like this, I feel hold that cup for 1 hour. Do I go to dance? I bless you about don't high. Not lie. Not lie. We just day. You come see someone go say, but you try. They walk me, they go shake me. I say, well, let's see. I see the ones where other people will say, me will not try from our side. Only people they were there, people were there already. Then our woman, our already was 7 woman leader was also having a birthday there. Cambodia Lord, people plenty, don't come. Many people there, they there. Anyway, you see us, we are still celebrating because the fight not be beans. That's why if you check people that are always for me, advising me on social media, many of them go check their profile. They don't even post reach. They don't even do reach 3 posts for governor. Then they will come tell us, Albert, you need to be magnanimous in victory. Let's move a door forward. You need to know. That's why I know they listen to them. Because the guy people will go come in and say, Albert, I say, okay, yes, sir. Because I know say these people and they were at the forefront of this battle. You must be in that role where people like us day. We will say people will lead this fight. We don't fight from behind. Up front we stay. Front, then we stay. If you need to take that role before you feel come here, advise me. Say that back the day from back they look say, hey, I'm about to go down. We show you how we. We show go back how we. Yeah, that go near the go back where give me towel. If you did that side, no advise me, and I will take your advice. And if you want to disturb me, I kick you out of my platform. So people we just day the ball. I saw some other POI guy, POI put there, APC put there. They just sit down. They just sit down and chill. They just sit down and chill. We still holler them. They don't come, work on still the show. And then Maleke get her wrong. And then Maleke, come, chill, relax. Don't win. Next time we go still win. That is politics for you. I'm not a violent person. I'm not a violent person. I know they instigate violence. I know they instigate any kind of rancor. When I always say if you slap your public man, not slap you back. You have your no way to talk about. But I will hardly hit you first. But if you hit me first, all what talk about. I not be that kind of Christian who you slap the side and say, the Bible says you told the other side, no. All what talk about, you don't go even excess. So everyone just did, they enjoyed the life band. We were entertained by the two talented. I can't remember all those songs. The guy played that year. The guy take us far, take us back. And for you the chill. Then we don't miss so way Ogbanya, but I say why was I gonna go to why Ogbane. We just have it for Maleke just come with his long legs, with his long belly legs. This is the ones they call like that. They will signal MC on the musician. The musician start Maleke, we just see day. Maleke, we just see day. I can't look the musician. Get the way I tell look on. Now, I cut again. I don't hear Maleke name again. I don't go for rugged. I know person you have to go. I said, I look down. I not the guy money. No, so Maleke come sit down for the same table where we did. As your first sit down, my mood change. I won't lie to you. As I sit down for that my table, if I wish now that table sit down, I for not get you. My mood change. My mood just change. My mood change because where they want to take us go. These people, what they did during that campaign, this is what they do, the violence what they instigate, a lot of things what they do. As you sit down, you're black, somebody wear white, you can't use a soup and take touch the person. I was not comfortable. But as I look at my mood change. You don't only just sit down, you want to assume with your day or to everybody get it to do. Don't need. Everybody always try to show love to the musician. Most of the time when you see us spray money, it's not like we are showing off. You understand? It's not like we are showing off. We just encourage those musicians. There are sometimes when you give them money, also say spray them. That will ginger other people to come spray them. Sometimes if you say if we squeeze money for their hand, they will bring a come and they will give you say spray them. That will ginger other people to also show them love. Because you see them playing there, they get boys, they get guitarists, they get keyboardists, they get this thing, they get their own boys where they'll physically give small thing. That is their own hustle. So anywhere we see them, we encourage them. It's not show off. If not show off, we get many Benin boys who visit and they will spray 5 million naira. The next day, they're not going to even remember whether they spray money. Many Benin boys do like that way well. God bless. So we're just showing love to the musician. The next thing, share this broadcast. Share this broadcast. YouTube, please give me thumbs up. YouTube, give me thumbs up. Then give me like. Give me like. Subscribe to our YouTube. Facebook, give me shares and give me like. I don't say my show like this. Oh, I enjoy over here. BP, high blood pressure, is the most deadly disease, sickness. But now you get the cheapest medication, very cheap. Those are small tablets to control BP. So when would they do things like this? Would they try to spice them up so that make no go to the tension? Now let the enemy use the tension. As we they talk now, they go the tension. So as well, the next thing, Maleke just come away the change money. They just pack 50 naira, no bunch, about 5. Your whole line, you want clear face. I was hey, stage in a win here. I mean, when I like this post, when I share it, this was say, you talk too much. Go give me one for NPC. Whether you see me for live video again. Go give me one for NPC. Go give me one for Aso Rock. Give me one for Chevron. Man, they pay me 1.5 million, 1 million a month. Whether you see me for live video, say you talk too much. Go give me one for Aso Rock. Go give me one for Ezomobi. Call me, Saba, send me your CV. I have a job for you. I want to stop talking. I will stop. Yeah, commenter. The guy you talk too much. I'm a cow, sir. Oh, you're your way. That makes sense. It is a joke. You call it Gamma, what to be? Now look, I look, and I look video observe. And that boy, yes, sit down, make you drink. So you say you want spray. When you want spray money, make all the spray money already. Relax. Just drink when they go ask. Hey, I believe when I ask Sakola, you see, Maleke cannot believe your eyes. Yes, he call your money. You want to raise voice. I haven't met out we let you sit down here. Since now me say we don't know what you will do during the campaign. We know how many proceed the hospital for the kind of shit we will do. We know many things where go. We are like to sit down for this table. So now me say wait. Yeah, like that. You say now revolution. I thought election was like a revolution. So anyway, you dare say you be opposition, you be APC. At least for the next 2 months, anyway you dare they try to comport yourself. Because even as we celebrate, we not forget what we go through. Now every day they tell me submit court papers. Every day they tell me put my name for petition for Abuja. They were looking for opportunity to kill me. Me I want to even way about it. Say yamuha win lẹ́yìn dore iye a plan here when they go do this one, they go do that one. How bad? Iya nyakewe ayebosto iya nyakewe ostivi boot iya nyakewe honorable Sakofoyo iya nyakewe Mutari iya nyakewe. All of us will stay the front row for that fight. The plan where they gave for us before. There wasn't those supposed to abuse power where and many of them they be illiterate. They are so wicked. By this time, not even say about for see they be me. Hey, never put my picture for all the beer parlor. Give out to all the attendants there. Say if you not see this boy, you not call us. We not go do it to them. We not go do it to them. But anywhere we did, when they just behave themselves. Me don't say now we level content once steal the show. Maleke actually wanted to steal that yesterday's show. Maleke, work okay. I'm not a figure more. People, most of our people who come from abroad, they don't come. They will Olaga the boss. Many, even our deputy national woman leader, Mama Hadiza, she was there. They were showing love. They were doing this. You go change 50 naira, like 5 bunches. You're popular for her. Emela double else total. No. Don't do it. He hail. He hail, he not believe. He hail. Small. He can't small like this. Yes, you lose election. Anyway, you do so small. Obviously, anyway, you call it like this. That one even bad. That one shows say you don't be better person to pastor. You say, yeah, move. That one shows say you only be better person to show more. You don't be better person to Isaiah. That one shows say you people only went there for the money. Now people are looking for opportunity now to say, now we not do that we come where I do. Not do that we come where I did. So now what happened yesterday? I bet my people, for people to tell Maleke may not spray money for APC victory party. If they're wrong, tap wrong. If they're right, tap yes. Tap yes. Say if you know say they're right, say they not allow Maleke come steal yesterday's show to come do agagabu. And Misha no yes, because once you spray for Misha will always use your name. That's what he wanted to achieve yesterday. May they say Maleke went to Wesley Hotel bar, he shut down the bar. What if they want to do? So people always say no, may not do one. If you not support them, tap yes. If you not support them, tap no. Tap no. If you not support what they do, tap no. If you not support what they do, say not be Maleke get party. May go and say Yamuas, go spray money, not be there cost money. Tap yes. Man, listen the comment. Make una follow the comment. You be the judge. Facebook, I'm not seeing your yes. I'm not seeing your yes or no. If you not support people, who say, "Hey, Maleke, here not be your party." We let you sit down here. Let me say you want come dey assume all your money. We won't spray you joy all your money. If you support those people, tap yes. If you not support them, say no. They're not supposed to do it like that. Tap no. Let me see your comments. You be the judge. This one say, I dey vex for una to even allow and drink for una champagne. So people wey do that yesterday, I don't youth wey say yes, not get issue here. If you go maybe another day, but that yesterday, they stop her. I don't say my clap for now. Say now do well, now finish work. So when you in Europe, like Europe, when I let them take una glory. We could not let them or any of them take una glory. So now what happened yesterday with that? Can me ye? You know when they can our ye or na my manager. Then Ambassador Wesley no there. No I hear and who even because the many boys who did not get joy. They not get joy, they not wear. In fact, as they would try to be mad. You be like they go to touch their wound. They will be done a heal for what we go through. If I upload one video of what happened, if I upload one video, I want it play on election day. Now some of you will know what we go through. So therefore, thank you very much. God bless you for watching. God bless you for your comments. You guys are always with us. You guys are always giving us positive comments. We appreciate. We thank you. We will not oppress anybody. We will not fight anybody. We will not instigate any violence. We will not beat anybody. We will not touch them. We will not. But our own is anywhere they just maintain their coup. They lose election. They don't win election. There is no basis for their celebration. I don't know what Maleke and the rest of people are celebrating. That they are always jumping from one party, from one APC party to PDP party to another. I don't know if they are celebrating Ezeyamu's failure. So please. And for people in APC, make una watch people like Maleke, Akube, Nwangbe and the rest. They are seriously looking for a way to come to this side. That's why they are just jumping from. They know they fit stay opposition. They know they fit stay hunger. He say Yamu Oshomole, I tell you, boys like that. Because I wish, God forbid, Obaseki lose election. If you don't see me for APC party, they raise and they go up. Say, now we will, I don't win. You will see me there. Until God knows how they smile, you know, see smile from my face. Until God knows say, let's move on. I know, we hear from us say, let's move on. After election, we say, I'm never congratulate Obaseki. So we follow us, so they look for how to come this side. They don't congratulate. Election phone, let's move on. Those kind of people, if you allow them to come this side, tomorrow they will still create problem. They will come outside, they will come create problem. They will come use juju and everything. They push people who really work. When the government, the party supposed to reward, they will come manipulate their way. They push them aside. They will come. That's how they manipulate things. They always manipulate their way to appointments. So day your lane. Just try day your lane. So that the people, governor will see people who work for her. Because people who genuinely work for a governor, they're few. When I not come back, come that governor, yes, let's see. You know, we can't really know the ones who really work for her. Because we many. So your day, your lane, make the man for see people who work for her. Many deserve to be commissioners. Many deserve to be special advisor. Many deserve to be SSA. Many deserve contracts. Many deserve to be engaged as consultants. A lot of things there. That will not stop saying you with the push of you get brilliant idea when you know say go move the state forward. Come on, not do it by jumping from party to party. Call, write letter to God and say, just let's see, I have supported Ezeyamu, but I have this idea that will move the state forward. The man will invite you. You hear me? But say you want to do kurukere, you want to follow backyard enter. Wow. Why now? Why make Tony Kabaka there any PDP party there or to Bomu? That's how to know a real follower. I'm not his fan. But Kenya lose election. He's been quiet. He's mourning his loss. I know anywhere he is now, he's sad. He's not happy. They are looking for where to cross to this side. Because they know say if they not quick cross, hunger will mama them. They know the feast hunger. So my people, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. Follow this page. God bless. No, not forget to Akube is still under suspension from those all over the world. Akube. Still, I've told you before. Akube worked against the Benin interest. Unama Gie, Oya Yo, Akube, Maleke, Abasalo Magbe, they are still under serious suspension. They must come out openly and apologize. Look at talents, why I empower talents of Benin. They will not assume them. You want to go solo there. I mean, Uyi, we have talent opinion. Why you power? Why you power, brother Siva? Why you power, Yakaba? Why you power, Amima? Why am we Amiku? Why you power, Pama? Why am we up sister Naomi? The two talented in no way no day. Why you power here? Why go ali Amiku? Why am we? I'm missionary Kena. Wa tugo nyaya gbele. That. You know, face or what? So you disrespect to what? You face or what? So continue to let that we yedo. Yedo wala ho. Don't make it manawa beliku. They must apologize. Yeah, and was me here. You must apologize. Kulona muya wala ba. Oya gwale mabe ni ma ebe fegbe ni appreciate what. You know vole wa answer yi. I appreciate. Thank you very much for watching. God bless you. I don't talk my own. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.